Leo tumezungumza pakubwa mambo ya bima ya ufugaji, kuhakikisha kama biashara ingine ile pia ufugaji inastahili kuwa na bima. Ndio wakati kunatokea janga kama hii iliyoko sasa, watu hawaendi mkono tupu, wanapata fidia yao kutoka hiyo bima. Lakini pamoja na hiyo bima, mikakati mingi inazungumzia mambo ya lishe ya mifugo, mambo ya kupanga hiyo ufugaji, aggregation, mambo ya value chain, value addition kwa nyama, hizo nyama iwekwe katika njia ikuwe ya value ya juu. Na kwa hivyo ni mazungumzo makubwa leo tumetia umuhimu sana mambo ya bima.
Naam, tuliona hii bima ilikuwa introduced na serikali kuu na pengine haijaanza. Pengine ni mikakati gani serikali kuu na ushirikiano na counties zinafaa kufanya?
Kulikuwa na hapo awali mazungumzo ambayo ilikuwa inaitwa ama namna ilikuwa inaitwa Kenya Livestock Insurance Program ambayo ilifanyika hapo awali na haikuenda vizuri sana. Lakini hiyo ilipatia uzoefu na information muhimu ambaye sasa hii drive inapangwa ichukue. Na kwa hivyo imeanza sasa vizuri na kuleta counties kwa pamoja, wale wahusika, itasaidia kufanikisha hii program kwa sababu counties ndio itakuwa implementing agencies na counties ndio wako mashinani huko, ndio wako na mwananchi. Na kwa hivyo mazungumzo ya leo ni kuleta serikali kuu pamoja, World Bank, serikali za county na wahusika wote kuhakikisha kwamba tunaposonga mbele hakuna mtu anaachwa nyuma. Hiyo kutopeleka kila mtu ahusike ndio labda imefanya ile klipi ianguke. Hasa hii sisi kuja wote kwa pamoja, wote tuna nia ya kufanikisha hii program. Lakini pia kiangazi ama ukame watu wamepitia nzito sana, imefanya watu wakuwe makini kusema ni kitu gani inaendelea. Watu wanatafuta namna ya kujikimu kesha kwa sababu wakati huu wameumia sana. Ndio.
Na mkikusanya haya mambo yote na yapate kuendelea makufaulu, pengine wito wako kwa wafugaji ni lipi?
Nataka kuwaomba wale kaunti zao zimefikiwa na program hii, haswa Kajiado. Hii program ni muhimu na ni mzuri na itasaidia watu wetu kulipwa fidia baada ya mifugo yao kuangamia vile imekuwa. Na kwa hivyo mupate watu wakiitwa, kufundishwa, kuelekezwa ama hata kuhusika, labda hata wengine wahitajike walipe pesa kidogo, tafadhali mchukue hiyo bima kwa sababu itawasaidia.
Naam, asante sana kwa kuongea nasi hapa Kameme TV. Asante. Naam, mwiroreri wa Kameme TV ucio ni governor wa Kajiado agitariria kuga ati mitaratara mirumu ni irathi na mbere na kwariririo niguo hihi gutigirira arithia a mahiu kuma icigo-ini iria cionekaga ta ciaragirwo ni riua muno makiria na gucungiriria ikuo cia mahiu mao ni manyitirirwo ni thirikari nene o hamwe na thirikari ya county. No tuguthie na mbere na kumurikithia Ndurumeni ya Kameme TV thiini wa giikaro giki na tutigushererwo kwira mwiroreri wa Kameme TV maria marakunuka. Ritwa riakwa ni Ndegwa wa Gathungu, Njokie Mwaro kuri wewe ku studio.
Nĩ ngatho mũno makĩria mũndũ gwĩtwo Ndegwa nĩ gũtũmenyithia ũrĩa maũndũ maikaire mwena ũcio wa gĩcũa-inĩ. Tũcoke gũkũ Nairobi. Mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa kamĩtĩ ya kwandĩka wĩra arutani TSC rĩu arĩ mbere ya kamĩtĩ ya mbunge ya kũnyabara mĩrutĩre ya wĩra ya honge cia thirikari gũcokia ciũria cikoniĩ ũkinyanĩria wa mũtaratara wa mathomo ma arutani. Na kamĩtĩ ĩno nĩ ĩtanyĩtwo kũgĩa na gĩikaro na minista wa gĩthomo Ezekiel Machogu nĩguo kwarĩrĩria mogarũrũku marĩa mendekithĩtio thĩinĩ wa mũtaratara wa ithurano cia arũgamĩrĩri a arutwo a university. Reke tũthikĩrĩrie marĩa marahanĩka thĩinĩ wa gĩikaro kĩu kwa ihinda rĩrĩ.
About what we even don't know. Those people whom the president appointed, they had specific issues to deal with. In fact, it was about this junior, second, and whatever. And when we are talking about tertiary colleges, do we include universities? And if we include universities, did he talk about amending the same sections? But the parliament is specific. So we cannot wait because we don't know how long it will take them to finish their work and bring the amendment before the elections come in.
Honorable Chair, Honorable members, I stand guided by all the comments that we shall reflect on as a ministry, not just for now, but even to guide the way we work together going forward. Honorable Chair, honorable members, kindly would like us to look at the Kenya Gazette, that is CS2, the terms of reference of the Presidential Working Party, and in specifically the second page, 7530.2 on tertiary and university education. Part B reads, to study all laws governing the tertiary education subsector and make recommendations for review of these legislations with a view to streamlining effectiveness and efficiency in the subsector. I would like to kindly request the members to indulge us with patience, because this work will be completed next month at the end of March, and the report will be provided, and it will address this particular aspect of the law among us.
Na twambe tutigane na icio andiki akaru kuma ministry-ini ya mathako na ministry tiganite na matanyitwo gucera county-ini ya Embu niguo kunyabara uria waki wa kiharo kia Moi urathie na mbere maya ari mehandiririe mambura ma madaraka andiki akaru aya matanyitwo kunyitanira na governor wa county ino Cecily Mbarire niguo guthurima wa kioyo reke tuthie mwena ucio tukorwo tukiona uria mehandiririe makinyite na uria marathie na mbere.
So there's an element of time, because even what we are doing now is using the precast slabs, which shortens the period. But even then you realize if we were to do it on the other side, it would require an extra 1 to 2 months to be able to complete the entire SLM. Given the time that is there, it's not practically possible. Now, the other information that is important to note is that the other space we were to do it from scratch, and it's still going to happen. It's only that when it is ready or when it is done, it will be way after the Madaraka Day celebrations. So that process of doing the international stadium at Njukiri is still ongoing. And when the president will be here for the Madaraka Day celebration, he would also have the occasion to do the groundbreaking on the other side to ensure that that original promise is still realized. Yes.
Maybe what is your message to the contractor in terms of time?
So the contractor does not have the luxury of time. He has to work day and night. He has to be able to work throughout the rainy season, and that's why he's trying to fast track things that would be difficult to implement when the rains begin. And then more importantly is that we must use the locals for purposes of providing labor, but also for the sourcing of materials. Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Haya, reke tumulike riboti ingi kwa ihinda riri thiini wa county ya Nyeri. Mbunge ya county ya Nyeri miaraho ya umuthi ni itanyitwo guthurima maminista atatu aria megukorwo makirutithania wira na governor wa Nyeri Mutahi Kahiga. Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri county-ini ya Nyeri rimwe ya iria cigukorwo cikirongorerio na njira nene kuna thutha wa governor kurugamia wira minister uria wariho. Ministry ikoretwo ikinyitirirwo ni minister wa kigina na hamwe noguo minister wa barabara na minister wa waki ono megukorwo magithurimwo ni mbunge no. Mwandiki witu wa ngugi niwe urarumirira riboti ino no ni tugukorwo tukinyitanira nake nigetha tumenyithie uria mihang'ono ino uria irathie na mbere mwena ucio uhoro wigie kwamurwo kwa maminista thiini wa county ya Nyeri. Imwe ya ministries ici ari ministry ya ugima wa mwiri iria ikoretwo ikinyitirirwo ni minister wa kigina kwa ihinda kuma riria governor Mutahi Kahiga akorirwo akioya wathani wa kaunti ya Nyeri. Koguo nitukunyitanira na wahu wa Ngugi atumenyithie maingi megie riboti iyo. Ningi uririkane maminista aria angi megukorwo magithurimwo ni hamwe na minista wa barabara oro hamwe na waki ona megukorwo magithurimwo ni mbunge ya kaunti ya Nyeri kuona kana ni megukorwo makiyukia ministries icio na ici ni imwe cia ministry iria itakoretwo na arugamiriri imwe cia cio cikirugamirwo ni ministries aria mena ministry ingi. Koguo nitukunyitanira na wahu wa Ngugi akorwo agitumenyithia maingi megie riboti ino thiini wa kaunti ya Nyeri kahinda gatari kuraya. Na nguririkanie ni thiini wa kaunti ya Nyeri oguo ndakwira kuria mbunge ya kaunti iyo igukorwo igithurima maminista atatu kaiga na ministry ya ugima wa mwiri nimwe ya iria igukorwo cikirongorerio na njira nene muno makiria kuona thutha wa governor kurugamia wira minister uria wariho. Ministry koretwo ikinyitirirwo ni minister wa kigina na ningi uririkane minister wa barabara, minister wa waki nio megukorwo magithurimwo ni mbunge ino. Koguo nitukunyitanira na wahu wa Ngugi akorwo agitumenyithia maingi megie riboti ino. Ringi no uririkane no turarumirira kamiti mwanya thiini wa mbunge iria irathie na mbere guthurima kamiti itiganite commission itiganite. Koguo nitugukorwo tugithie mwena ucio tumurike ni mariku marathie na mbere thiini wa mbunge ya kibururi. Kwa ihinda riri reke twikirie oro hanini nituracokereria na mangi maingi.
Orerorera Kameme TV.
The Great Oasis Gardens Nyanyukie nĩ ng'ũndũ harĩrĩrie wega nĩ kambuni ya Optiven. Ng'ũndũ ĩno ĩrĩ na barabara cia thĩinĩ njĩkĩre maramu